What's up everybody, XWeaverX. Today I have a video going over the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. This is the 46mm version here. We have the all black one, we just got it from Best Buy. And yes, I know this come out a couple years ago now, and the Watch 6 is the newest Galaxy Watch out. However, I did pick this up for $179 brand new from Best Buy. Shout out to Walmart for the price match. Love to see it. But yeah, so we went ahead and we got this. And this is going to be my first Galaxy Watch that I've owned. The only smartwatch I've ever owned is an Apple Watch. And this is the Apple Watch SE. And I have just switched over from my iPhone over to the Google Pixel Fold. So we wanted a watch to go with this. And I did look at the Google Pixel Fold watch. The Pixel Watch, that is, and it's really beautiful, it's elegant, love the design of all of it, but it didn't have the features that I was looking for, and it has the paywall for the Fitbit behind it, for like the main features of the watch that I wanted, and I didn't want to have to pay a subscription just for basic features that should be in a watch, so. I did my research though, I come across this as being everything that I wanted in the watch. And for the price point, I couldn't beat it. I did look at the Watch Series 6 for the Galaxy Watch Series 6, since that is the newest one. But for the price and the difference between the two, I didn't think it was necessary. This has everything that I want in a watch. So we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing, see what we got in here. And later on, we'll do a separate video going over the watch itself, just a review of this watch. The only watch I'll be able to kind of compare it to though is my Apple Watch. So I'll kind of let you know my opinion on the two. And then we could also just kind of go over a review, looking at other watches on the specifications, and I can do my own research and kind of give you guys a general idea on what's what. So, all right, that said there, we're gonna get this opened up. How's everybody's weekend? You guys all have a good weekend? I spent all day yesterday fixing the water pump on my car, changing that out, the thermostat, and one of my coolant hoses going off of the firewall. This does look really nice. So we have the watch right here. As you see, it's all black. I would have preferred like a leather band instead of this like silicone feel. I mean, this is classic after all, and this doesn't look like much of a classic look with the leather band, or not the leather band, but the silicone band here. I feel like it definitely should have come with a leather band, especially for the price point that it is. I mean, I got it on sale, like I said, for $179, so it's not too big a deal, but for the people that paid full price for this, and with the name of it being classic, it definitely should have come with leather bands. But I digress. We got a silicone band here. Feels just like the silicone band from Apple here. Same feel, texture. All right, this is what the screen's looking like on here. It's really nice, really nice. So if we take off my Apple Watch and compare it. So this is the 44mm SE Apple Watch. And then we have our 46mm Samsung Gear 4 Classic right next to it, just for a little side comparison here. They both have the silicone bands. I'm definitely gonna be picking up a leather band for this watch. And then something that I really liked about this watch and why I picked it up was the tactile feedback. As someone that loves things like that, like I'm real big on sensory things, and the sensory input from this is so satisfying. I really love that you have this whole scroll wheel built into the top of the watch. I think that's super neat. So anyways, we'll set the watch off to the side here. All right, set the box off to the side. What we get inside the box as well is a little Samsung box here. So it looks like this is going to be our charging cable here. Oh, I love that it's all black. That's super nice. So we have an all black magnetic charger here. It's just kind of like the Apple Watch. This one's all black. Well, it magnetizes. Well, it's not very strong, as you see. It's not a very strong magnet at all. I mean, it's not going to be a problem as long as you're obviously not going to grab it and flicking it around like this, but just for those that are wondering, that is what the magnet is like. I love that it's all black though. I'm a huge fan of all black things. All right, and then we have our quick start guide here. So I have the power button, that's that red button right here. And then right below it is the back button. And this is the first Samsung watch that incorporated Google OS into it as well. So we do have Google features such as Google Assistant and Google Pay. So that's super dope because, like I said, I have the Google Pixel Fold now, so I have Google Pay set up. So it's gonna be nice to have this to use Google Pay with. But yeah, so that's what we're looking at. That's gonna be it for this video. All right guys, that's gonna wrap this one up. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe if you did. In the future, we're gonna be going over this watch. We're gonna go into a deep dive of the hardware and software and what it's like to use this as a daily driver. So if you're interested in that, please hit the subscribe button. I appreciate you viewing my content. As always, peace and prosper, baby. Much love. We'll be seeing you on the next video. Bye.